In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. Let's start by opening your Word document and making sure you're on the page or section where you want to add the link. You can insert a hyperlink into regular text, a heading, or even an image, but the most common way is to link a specific word or phrase. First, highlight the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. For example, you might select a phrase like "click here," or the name of a website or document. Make sure you only select the exact words you want to be clickable, because everything you highlight will become part of the link. Once your text is selected, look toward the top of the Word window for the ribbon. Click on the Insert tab. This tab contains tools for adding different elements to your document, and the one we're interested in is the hyperlink option. In the Insert tab, find the command labeled Link or Hyperlink. Depending on your version of Word, it might appear as a word, an icon, or both. Click this, and a dialog box will open. This is where you'll tell Word what you want your link to point to. At the bottom of the dialog box, you'll see a field where you can type or paste a web address. If you're linking to a website, go to your browser, copy the full address from the address bar, and paste it into this field. Make sure it starts with HTTP or HTTPS, so Word recognizes it as a valid web link. If you want to link to a place within the same document, like a heading or a bookmark, look at the options on the left side of the dialog box. You can choose to link to an existing file, a different document, or a specific location in this one. Select the option you need, then choose the exact location or file. You'll also see the text you highlighted shown at the top of this window as the display text. If you want to tweak how it appears, you can edit that here without changing the underlying link. When everything looks good, click OK. Your selected text should now appear underlined and in a different color, indicating it's a hyperlink. To test it, hold down the Control key and click the link. Or just click it if your version of Word allows single-click opening. If it opens the right web page or location, you're all set.